Exposing the secret to losing 70 kilo without breaking a sweat. Forget the gym membership. The real key to shedding those 70 kilos lies in 3 simple words: diet, routine, and mindset. First up, diet. Swap out processed foods for whole, nutrient-rich options. Think veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Your body will thank you. Next, routine. Consistency is your best friend. Eat around the same times daily and drink plenty of water. Small changes can lead to big results. And finally, mindset. Stay positive and motivated. Visualize your goal and celebrate every little victory. So ditch the gym anxiety and start making smarter choices today. Your journey to a healthier you starts now. Subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Welcome back. We're thrilled to have you join us again on this journey towards a healthier, happier you. Today we're diving into the world of diet plans, exploring the best options to help you achieve your weight loss goals effectively and sustainably. Now that you know the secret to losing 70 kilos without exercise, it's time to delve deeper into the specifics. Understanding the right diet plan can make all the difference in your weight loss journey. It's not just about shedding pounds, it's about adopting a lifestyle that promotes overall well-being. Let's start by exploring some of the most effective diet plans out there. Balanced nutrition is key, and finding a plan that suits your lifestyle and preferences is crucial. A good diet plan should be easy to follow, enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. One of the most popular and highly recommended diet plans is the Mediterranean diet. Known for its heart-healthy benefits, this diet is inspired by the traditional eating habits of people living in the Mediterranean region. It's not just a diet, it's a way of life that emphasizes the importance of enjoying meals with family and friends. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes the consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins like fish and poultry. These foods are rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants, which help protect your body against chronic diseases and promote overall health. This diet is not only delicious but also sustainable for long-term health. By incorporating a variety of fresh, whole foods into your meals, you can enjoy a diverse and flavorful diet that supports your weight loss goals. Next, let's consider the plant-based diet. This diet focuses on whole, unprocessed plant foods, which are naturally low in calories and high in fiber. By filling your plate with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, you can reduce your calorie intake while still feeling full and satisfied. A plant-based diet is not only beneficial for weight loss, but also for overall health. It has been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Plus, it's an environmentally friendly choice that supports sustainable food practices. Think beans, legumes, nuts, seeds, and a variety of colorful veggies. These foods are packed with essential nutrients, including protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They provide the energy you need to stay active and healthy while supporting your weight loss efforts. And don't forget about portion control. Even the healthiest foods can lead to weight gain if eaten in excess. It's important to be mindful of your portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Overeating, even healthy foods, can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Pay attention to portion sizes and try to avoid eating out of boredom or stress. Instead, focus on eating when you're truly hungry and stopping when you're satisfied. Use smaller plates and pay attention to hunger cues. This simple trick can help you control your portions and prevent overeating. Eating mindfully, savoring each bite, and taking your time can also help you enjoy your meals more and feel more satisfied. Remember, making healthier food choices doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor. In fact, you can make your meals even more delicious by experimenting with herbs and spices. These natural flavor enhancers can add depth and complexity to your dishes without adding extra calories. Experiment with herbs and spices to add depth to your meals without added calories. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley, as well as spices like cumin, turmeric, and paprika, can transform a simple dish into a culinary delight. So, there you have it. Some of the best diet plans to help you lose weight without the need for exercise. By choosing a diet that emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods and practicing portion control, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Stay tuned for more tips on living your best life, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. We're here to support you every step of the way on your journey to a healthier, happier you. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about creating a lifestyle that you can enjoy and maintain for years to come. Educating yourself about nutrition is a powerful tool. The more you know about the foods you eat and how they affect your body, the better equipped you'll be to make healthy choices. Consider reading books on nutrition, attending workshops, or even consulting with a registered dietitian to get personalized advice. Grocery shopping is another important aspect of maintaining a healthy diet. Plan your meals ahead of time and make a shopping list to ensure you have all the ingredients you need. Focus on buying fresh, whole foods and avoid processed items that are high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Meal prepping can also be a game changer. By preparing your meals in advance, you can save time and ensure you always have healthy options on hand. This can help you avoid the temptation of fast food or unhealthy snacks when you're short on time or energy. Hydration is another key component of a healthy diet. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help you stay hydrated, support your metabolism, and even reduce hunger. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider carrying a reusable water bottle with you to make it easier to stay on track. Snacking can be part of a healthy diet if done right. Choose snacks that are nutrient-dense and satisfying, such as fresh fruit, nuts, or yogurt. Avoid snacks that are high in sugar and empty calories, as they can lead to energy crashes and cravings. Finally, remember that a healthy lifestyle is about more than just diet. Incorporating regular physical activity, managing stress, and getting enough sleep are all important factors in achieving and maintaining your weight loss goals. Activities like yoga and meditation can help you relax and stay focused on your health journey. Celebrate your successes along the way. Every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is an achievement worth recognizing. Whether it's losing a few pounds, sticking to your meal plan, or simply feeling more energetic, take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your progress. Sharing your journey with others can also be incredibly motivating, whether it's through social media, a support group, or with friends and family. Having a community to share your experiences with can provide encouragement and accountability. Ultimately, the goal is to create a lifestyle that makes you feel good inside and out. By choosing a diet plan that works for you and making healthy choices consistently, you can achieve your weight loss goals and enjoy a happier, healthier life. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting you on your journey. Welcome back. We're thrilled to have you join us again on this journey towards a healthier, happier you. Today, we're diving into a topic that is often overlooked but is incredibly important when it comes to achieving and maintaining weight loss. In our previous videos, we've explored the secrets to losing 70 kilos without exercise, and we've discussed the best diet plans to help you achieve your weight loss goals. These are all crucial elements, but there's another piece of the puzzle that we need to address. While healthy eating and physical activity are essential, there's a third component that can make or break your weight loss journey: mental health. Now, let's delve into an often overlooked but crucial aspect of weight loss: mental health. Your mental well-being plays a significant role in your weight loss journey. It's not just about what you eat or how much you exercise, it's also about how you feel and think. Your mental well-being plays a significant role in your weight loss journey. When you feel good mentally, you're more likely to make healthier choices, stay motivated, and stick to your weight loss plan. Conversely, when you're struggling with stress, anxiety, or depression, it can be much harder to stay on track. Stress and emotional eating can sabotage even the best diet plans. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and lead to cravings for unhealthy foods. This is a natural response, but it can make weight loss much more challenging. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and lead to cravings for unhealthy foods. This is a natural response, but it can make weight loss much more challenging. Cortisol is often referred to as the stress hormone, and it can have a significant impact on your weight. It's a natural response, but it can make weight loss much more challenging. When cortisol levels are high, your body may store more fat, particularly around the abdominal area. This can make it harder to lose weight, even if you're eating well and exercising regularly. Emotional eating, or turning to food for comfort, can also derail your progress. Many people use food as a way to cope with negative emotions such as sadness, loneliness, or boredom. This can lead to overeating and weight gain, even if you're following a healthy diet most of the time. It's important to recognize the triggers that lead to emotional eating. Are you eating because you're hungry, or because you're feeling anxious, sad, or bored? Understanding these triggers is the first step toward managing them. Are you eating because you're hungry, or because you're feeling anxious, sad, or bored? Understanding these triggers is the first step toward managing them. Once you know what triggers your emotional eating, you can start to develop healthier coping strategies. Understanding these triggers is the first step toward managing them. Here are some strategies to help you manage stress and emotional eating. 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and fully experiencing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Here are some strategies to help you manage stress and emotional eating. 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and fully experiencing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It can help you become more aware of your eating habits and make healthier choices. Take a moment to breathe and be present before reaching for food. This can help you differentiate between physical hunger and emotional hunger. When you take the time to check in with yourself, you may find that you're not actually hungry, but rather looking for a way to cope with stress or other emotions. This can help you differentiate between physical hunger and emotional hunger. When you take the time to check in with yourself, you may find that you're not actually hungry, but rather looking for a way to cope with stress or other emotions. By practicing mindfulness, you can learn to respond to your body's true needs rather than turning to food for comfort. 1. Find healthy outlets for stress. Exercise, meditation, and hobbies can be great ways to manage stress without turning to food. Physical activity, in particular, can help reduce stress and improve your mood by releasing endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Exercise, meditation, and hobbies can be great ways to manage stress without turning to food. Physical activity, in particular, can help reduce stress and improve your mood by releasing endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Engaging in activities you enjoy can also provide a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction, which can help reduce the urge to eat for emotional reasons. 1. Keep a food diary. Writing down what you eat and how you feel can help you identify patterns and make healthier choices. A food diary can help you become more aware of your eating habits and identify any emotional triggers that may be leading to overeating. Writing down what you eat and how you feel can help you identify patterns and make healthier choices. A food diary can help you become more aware of your eating habits and identify any emotional triggers that may be leading to overeating. By tracking your food intake and emotions, you can start to see patterns and make changes to your eating habits. 1. Seek support. Talking to a friend, family member, or mental health professional can provide the emotional support you need to stay on track. Having someone to talk to can help you process your emotions and find healthier ways to cope with stress. Remember, a healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. By taking care of your mental health, you can achieve your weight loss goals more effectively and sustainably. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. By taking care of your mental health, you can achieve your weight loss goals more effectively and sustainably. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Stay tuned for our next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Stay tuned for our next video. Stay tuned for our next video. Congratulations on making it this far in your weight loss journey. It's no small feat to achieve such a significant transformation, and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. The journey to losing weight is often filled with challenges, but your dedication and hard work have paid off. Now let's talk about how to maintain this amazing progress and ensure that you continue to feel great and stay healthy. Now that you've learned the secrets to losing 70 kilos without exercise, discovered the best diet plans, and understood the role of mental health, it's time to focus on maintaining your progress. Consistency is key. It's important to remember that the habits you've developed during your weight loss journey are the foundation for your long-term success. These habits include making healthy food choices, staying active, and taking care of your mental well-being. By continuing to prioritize these aspects of your life, you'll be able to maintain your weight loss and enjoy the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. To keep the weight off, it's important to stick to the healthy habits you've developed. This means continuing to cook nutritious meals at home, choosing whole foods over processed options, and being mindful of portion sizes. When you go grocery shopping, make a list of healthy items and stick to it. Avoid the temptation to buy junk food or sugary snacks that can derail your progress. Instead, focus on filling your cart with fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. This doesn't mean you have to be perfect all the time, but try to make healthy choices most of the time. It's okay to indulge in your favorite treats occasionally, but moderation is key. By allowing yourself to enjoy these foods in small amounts, you can satisfy your cravings without feeling deprived. Remember, it's about finding a balance that works for you and supports your long-term goals. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Tracking your progress can be a helpful way to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Keep a journal where you can record your meals, workouts, and any challenges you face. This can help you identify patterns and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem, and use them as motivation to keep going. Another crucial aspect is setting realistic goals. It's important to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, but it's equally important to be realistic about what you can accomplish. Setting small, achievable milestones can help you stay motivated and focused on your long-term goals. For example, instead of aiming to lose a certain amount of weight in a short period, focus on making healthy choices each day and gradually working towards your goal. Instead of aiming for perfection, set achievable milestones that keep you motivated. These milestones can be related to your diet, exercise routine, or overall well-being. For example, you might set a goal to try a new healthy recipe each week, increase your daily step count, or practice mindfulness for a few minutes each day. By breaking your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps, you'll be more likely to stay on track and feel a sense of accomplishment along the way. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Each step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is worth acknowledging and celebrating. Whether it's losing a few pounds, fitting into a smaller clothing size, or simply feeling more energetic, these victories are important milestones on your journey. Take the time to recognize and appreciate your hard work, and use these moments as motivation to keep moving forward. These small victories add up and help you stay on track. Over time, you'll see how far you've come and feel proud of your accomplishments. Keeping a visual record of your progress, such as a chart or photo diary, can be a powerful reminder of your achievements and help you stay motivated. When you look back at where you started and see how much you've improved, it can give you the confidence and determination to keep going. Staying motivated can sometimes be challenging, but finding what drives you can make all the difference. Take some time to reflect on your reasons for losing weight and what motivates you to maintain your progress. Whether it's fitting into your favorite clothes, feeling more energetic, or improving your overall health, keep these reasons front and center. Write them down and refer to them whenever you need a boost of motivation. Whether it's fitting into your favorite clothes, feeling more energetic, or improving your overall health, keep your reasons for losing weight front and center. These reasons can serve as powerful motivators when you're faced with challenges or setbacks. Remind yourself of the benefits you've experienced since losing weight, such as increased energy, better sleep, and improved self-confidence. By focusing on the positive changes, you'll be more likely to stay committed to your healthy habit. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your efforts and keep you accountable. Having a strong support system can make a big difference in your ability to maintain your weight loss. Share your goals with friends and family members who can offer encouragement and help you stay on track. Consider joining a weight loss support group or finding an online community where you can connect with others who are on a similar journey. These connections can provide valuable support, motivation, and accountability. Here are some additional tips to help you maintain your weight loss. First, keep a balanced diet. This means eating a variety of foods from all the food groups, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid restrictive diets that eliminate entire food groups, as they can be difficult to maintain in the long term and may lead to nutrient deficiencies. Instead, focus on creating a sustainable eating plan that includes a wide range of nutritious foods. 1. Keep a balanced diet. 2. Stay active. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining weight loss and overall health. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. This could include walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, or participating in group fitness classes. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week and incorporate strength training exercises to build muscle and boost your metabolism. 3. Monitor your progress. Regularly tracking your weight measurements and other health indicators can help you stay accountable and make adjustments as needed. Use a journal, app, or other tracking tools to record your progress and celebrate your achievements. 1. Be kind to yourself. It's important to practice self-compassion and recognize that maintaining weight loss is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, and it's normal to experience setbacks. Instead of being hard on yourself when things don't go as planned, focus on what you can learn from the experience and how you can move forward. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. By maintaining consistency, setting realistic goals, and staying motivated, you can successfully keep the weight off and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Remember that this is a lifelong journey, and it's important to be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips have been helpful and that you feel inspired to continue your weight loss journey with confidence and determination. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on living your best life. Your support helps us create more content that can inspire and motivate others on their health and wellness journeys. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips, and let's build a community of support and encouragement together. Stay tuned for our next video. We'll be sharing more tips, recipes, and inspiration to help you live a healthy, balanced life. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to continuing this journey with you. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.